Welcome to another fantastic edition on Fact About Your Stars on Iriri Lagba TV. Thanks for joining us. Do you want to get multiple facts about your stars? Then you are in the right channel, as we will be unleashing 5 facts about your stars. Our focus today is based on a musician superstar in Nigeria known as Davido. Do you want to know 5 facts about Davido? Then stay tuned, we'll be right back. Davido Adeleke, popularly known as Omo Baba Olowo OBO, is a multiple award-winning Nigerian singer born in Atlanta, United States on November 21, 1992. Here are some 5 facts about him. 1. Once a backup singer. Popular OBO was said to be once a backup singer for rising rapper Shina Rambo before he proceeded to starting a group with B-Red and Rambo called KB International. 2. First Nigerian artist to have multiple followers. OBO is said to have accumulated more than 30 million followers on Instagram, which made him the first Nigerian artist to have such a high social media following. 3. He is a father. Popular Davido is regarded to be a father as he has children across 3 women. He has 2 daughters with Sophie Momodu and Amanda. Then he has a son named David Adedeji Ifeanyi Adeleke Jr. with his fiancée, Chioma. Before proceeding to the next 2 facts about Davido Adeleke, popularly known as OBO, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, Iriri Lagba TV, and our social media handles. And moving on to the next 2 facts about Davido Adeleke. Number 4. Almost a DB Records holder. In 2011, it was revealed that the band gave Davido a Rolex wristwatch as a gift so as to sign in, but his dad declined, saying he wants his son to go to school. And the 5th and last fact about OBO is dropout at Oxford University. Davido Adeleke, who began his education at a popular British school, Lagos, before moving to Oxford University to study business administration, dropped out and returned to Nigeria to pursue his music career. And here's where we dropping our curtain on today's edition after unleashing 5 solid facts about Davido OBO. And that's all on today's edition on Fact About Your Stars on Iriri Lagba TV. You can follow us for more information on IG at Iriri Lagba _TV, Facebook Iriri Lagba TV, or you can also mail us at michaeloli1989@gmail.com. Also like, subscribe, and share. I remain Precious Akin Tulubo. Thanks for listening.